Hi, friends. My name is Mrs. Lodato, and I have the great privilege of teaching 2 grades in one classroom. I teach kindergarten and first grade at Parsley Elementary School. I am so excited to grow and learn with you today in math. Today, we're going to start with a warm up just to get our brains math ready. Then, we're going to jump into lots of fun in place value. You will need a whiteboard or pencil and paper, so if you need to go grab those, this would be a great time to do so. Okay, let's get ready to warm up our brains. First, we're going to count by tens. If you want to get up off the couch and do some stretches while you count by tens, that would be wonderful as well. Let's start 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Great job counting by tens. Now let's switch it up and we're going to count by fives. And when I count by fives, I give a high five every time I count. Let's start. We're counting by fives. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. You all are doing an amazing job. Next, we're going to review our 2D shapes, and I have a fun little poem that goes with them. So first I'm going to say it, and then you're going to copy me. So watch my arrow. My turn first. Rectangle, uneven sides. You say it. Great job. My turn. Triangle, 3 sides. You say it. Awesome. I think you have the hang of it. Rhombus, diamond. Good. Heart, I love you. Oval, long and round. Hexagon, 6 sides. I have a few more 2D shapes. My turn first. Circle, never stops. Square, 4 sides. Starlight, star bright. Trapezoid, trapped inside. Awesome job on your 2D shapes. We know that they are 2D shapes because they're flat. Next up is our 3D shapes. I have another poem for this, so copy me. 3D shapes are fat, not flat. Good. A cylinder, a can of pop. A sphere is like a bouncy ball. A prism is a building tall. A cube is like a dice you roll. A pyramid, a tent you build. A cone is like a party hat. 3D shapes are here and there. 3D shapes are everywhere. Amazing. You did an amazing job repeating those 2D and 3D shapes. Up next, we're going to refresh our brains with some of our coins. So I'm going to start with the first coin. Do you know what this first coin is? Yes, a penny. And a penny is worth 1 cent. How much is a penny worth? Good. Here's my poem. My turn first. Penny, penny, easily spent. Copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Great job. What was that coin again? Yes, a penny. Next is a nickel. What is it? Great. And a nickel is worth 5 cents. My turn with the poem. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents, I know that. Oh, great job. You are my coin experts. Next one. This guy is a dime. What is he? Yes, a dime. And a dime is worth 10 cents. How much is a dime worth? Great. My turn with the poem first. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. Great job with our dime. And our last coin is our big coin, and that is our quarter. And the quarter is worth the most out of all of the coins we just reviewed. It is worth 25 cents. Holy moly, right? All right, my turn with the poem. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I am told. Great job with all of the coins. We remembered those 4 coins. A penny, that is worth how much again? Yes, 1 cent. And then we learned the nickel. And how much is the nickel worth again? Yes, 5 cents. And then last but not least is our dime. And our dime is worth, yes, 10 cents. And then our big one, our big quarter. How much is that worth? Yes, 25 cents. Great job warming up your brains, mathematicians. I know that you're ready for today's lesson. Okay, mathematicians, we're going to work with some place value today. This might be a refresher for some of you and it might be new, and that's okay. We'll learn together. Before we start, I just want to remind you about tens and ones. Tens are one big group of 10, and we're able to count them by tens. So we can count by 10, 20, 30, 40, where ones are just a little cube and it's only worth 1. So we do have to count those by ones. I have this number 86, and I want to know the tens place and the ones place. My trick for remembering where the tens place and the ones place is to write the word 2 above your number. You can see I wrote the word 2 up here. So the O stands for the ones place. So that's how many ones are in my number. So my ones place is 6, which tells me there are 6 ones in 86. Where my T stands for tens, which is my tens place, and that's telling me that there are 8 tens in 86. Let's put some of our knowledge to work. Over here I have manipulatives if I need them. So inside my box I have tens and ones, and I want to know how much they are worth. I can count them, but I'm wondering what's a faster way I can count them instead of just by ones. Do you know? I can count my tens by tens and then switch over to counting by ones. Help me do that. 10, 20. I have to switch over. 21. So these blocks are worth 21. So this is just another way to represent the number 21. Great job. Let's try a little bit more of a challenging one, and I'm going to use my tens and ones to help me solve this problem. In my black box, I have 55 plus 10. 55 plus 10. I'm going to use my blocks to help me build it. So for 55, I need to make sure I have 55 out. I'm going to start with my tens. Help me count while I put them out. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I have to switch over to my ones now. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. I just built my first number, 55, but I'm not done yet because I still need to add 10. I could count out 10 ones, but why would I do that? That would take longer. So let's use a 10 stick to represent the 10 more. Now that we have all our blocks out, we can count these to figure out the total or the sum of 55 plus 10. Help me count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. So now I know 55 plus 10 equals 65. Great job, my loves. Let's try the next one. Oh, they are trying to trick us up. They added some words. Let's read my box. 10 more than 21. 10 more than 21. I could build the biggest number. So what's the biggest number in my words? Yes, 21. Help me build 21. Ready? 10, 20, 21. So I have 21, but I didn't find 10 more than 21. What do I need to find 10 more? What should I put? Yes, another 10 stick. Now I can figure out the solution to this. Help me count. 10, 20, 30, 31. So 10 more than 21 is 31. Did you notice how only my tens place changed, not my ones place? Oh, here's another one. I don't need my cubes. I just need my brain to help me figure out how much these cubes down here are worth. My tens, I'm going to count by tens. My ones, I'm going to count by ones. Great job. Help me. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. Great job. It is 43. You all are doing amazing. Mathematicians, keep on using those brains. So proud of you. Oh my goodness, another word one. We're not going to let it trick us. This is what it says. 10 less than 84. Ooh, it's throwing a tricky word in there. Listen again. 10 less than 84. Well, I see my biggest number. I can easily see it build 84. Help me count them out. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. I made my 84. Now, my problem says 10 less than 84. So do I want to give it another 10? No, why not? Yes, because it says less, so that means we're going to take it away or subtract it. I'm going to get my red pen over here and I'm going to cross it out so it will help our brains. What do I need to cross out to show 10 less? Yes, a 10 stick. I'm going to cross this one out right here because we're not going to use that anymore. Now let's count to see if we can find the solution to our problem. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. So our solution is 74 because 10 less than 84 is 74. Did you notice that ones place did not change again? Only the tens place. Okay, now I have some problems for us to use. So as you can see, I have a word problem and then I have 4 answers and I color-coded them to help our brains. So only one of the answers is correct. I want you to use your mathematician brains to help me solve these problems. Listen to my first story. I am a number. I have 5 tens. I have more than 7 ones. I am less than 59. What number could I be? I'm going to break this problem apart. So my first part says, I am a number. These all are numbers, so can I cross any out? Nope. The next one says, I have 5 tens. Now, do any of these have 5 tens? They all do, so that's not so helpful, is it? My next clue says I have more than 7 ones. So we know that it has to have greater than 7 ones. Does the pink have more than 7 ones? Nope, it has exactly 7, so it doesn't have more than 7. Does the blue have more than 7 ones? Yes, it has more than 7 ones. Does the yellow have more than 7 ones? No. Does the green have more than 7 ones? Yes, it does. So now we know it's either blue or green. Let's look at my last clue. It says, I am less, which means smaller, than 59. Let's count these and see what we get. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Is 59 smaller than 59? No, it's the same. So our answer must be the green, but good mathematicians always double check. So let's count them. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Is 58 less than 59? Yes, so our answer is green. Keep it up, mathematicians. New problem. It says, what is the value of the ones place in the number shown? Ooh, this has some trick words in it, or fancy words that we really need to pay attention to. I see the fancy word value because that means how much something is worth. And then it also says ones place. Ones place. So I need to look in the ones place. So do I need to look at these tens? No, I know I need to look at the ones. Let's count the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 ones. Is the value of 9 ones 59? No. Is the value of 9 ones 95? No. Is the value of 9 ones 9? I think so. I'm going to put a little dot to come back to that. Is the value of 9 ones 50? No. So it must be yellow. Great job. You didn't let that trick you up. Sometimes they'll try to trick you by putting those tens there, and we didn't even need them to solve this problem. Here's my next one. I'm going to read it. The restaurant can hold up to 95 people. Which amount of people can fit into the room? Which amount can fit into the room? So the restaurant can hold up to 95. That means if it's past 95, we can't put any more people in there. It'd just be way too crowded. So let's see if I can figure out which one I could put. Let's count these. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. Is that up to 95? No, it passed 95. We actually need it 95 or smaller, so that cannot be the right one. Let's count the blue. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Is that 95 or fewer? No, because it's only up to 95. Let's try our yellow. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93. Is that up to 95 people? Yes, it's a little bit less, but it still falls on that. So we're going to put a little dot. Let's try this one. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. Is that up to 95 people? No, it is not. We have to cross that out. That's too many. So it looks like our answer is yellow again. Awesome job, mathematicians. Here's another mystery number. I am a number. Well, they're all numbers, aren't they? I have 10 less than 10 tens. I have less than 10 tens. So we know they can't have 10 or more tens. I have less than 2 ones. I am greater than 90. What number could I be? Let's look at that again and break it up apart. I am a number. I have less than 10 tens. So we know that they have to have less than 10 tens. Does this have less than 10 tens? Yes. Does this have less than 10 tens? Yes. Does this have less than 10 tens? Yes. What about this one? Yes. So that doesn't really help us, does it? I have less than 2 ones. Ooh, I have a feeling this will help us. I have less than 2 ones. Is this less than 2 ones? No, that's more than 2 ones. Does this have less than 2 ones? Yes, it does. It has 0 ones. Does this have less than 2 ones? No, it has the same amount. Does this have less than 2 ones? Yes, because it only has 1. We're getting closer. Let's read our last clue. I am greater than 90, which means that it's more than 90. Let's see if this is more than 90. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Is that greater than 90? Nope, it's equal to 90. Let's do this one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91. Is that greater than 90? Yes, so our answer is green. You did a great job on these questions. Mathematicians, you did great with me today. We're so proud of your hard work. Keep on working on those numbers. Bye.